tell me why I look like a witch with my black hair, my black outfit, and dark makeup. Hocus pocus. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in this video I will be finally doing a Halloween phone theme. So I do have super cute October themed wallpapers for you guys, and I know you guys are ready with your pumpkin spice hot chocolate for me because I'm not that big of a fan of the pumpkin spice stuff, especially drinks. Pumpkin bread is a different story, but anyways, here is my super cute mug. This I got last year, but I think it's really cute. It says trick or treat yourself, and it's super cute. I love it. So I've been really digging this fall weather now, so I'm really excited. I'm excited to go to pumpkin patches and to go to like different events for October. I'm excited to show you guys this free wallpaper, and it's gonna be so cute. I know you guys are gonna love it. So this is my phone. This is the phone case that I currently have. It's just hot pink with this pop socket, and it looks like that. It's like a little like Mexican bread with like a bunch of sprinkles, but I thought it was appropriate for this phone thing because it's like October, but it's like cute, like sweets, like no? Okay, well I think it's gonna go really well with this phone theme, and I think it's super cute. I will leave the links down below to everything. Make sure to message me for the wallpapers. You could message me on Instagram, and I will definitely share with you guys the wallpapers that I find. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys like it, and let's just get this video started. Alright, I'm going to start off by applying a phone theme. This is a purple lilac phone theme that will go really great with these wallpapers that I have to show you guys. So that is the name and the creator and a preview. So I'm just going to apply this, and this is a free phone theme and it's really nice. So I'm sure you guys will enjoy this one. That is how my folders and icons look like. So it does change the icons into like a white, clean, bold look. So here is the calculator, just purple lilac colors with white. The calendar as well has just purple and white. And then the dial pad also has purple and white. And here is the messaging and the keyboard. That's how it will look like, really nice. And here is the wallpaper. So this is so beautiful. Like, let's look at all of this detail. It literally screams Halloween, but in a cute way. So we have these ghost characters. So there's my Melody, Hello Kitty, Keroppi. There's just all of these characters dressed up for Halloween, ready to go get some candy and go trick-or-treating, and they look super adorable in the night sky full of like stars and a little house and jack-o'-lantern. So now I will be using this as my lock screen, so I'm just going to apply it on my phone, and also it shows you a little preview of how it will look like. How adorable is this? I am so excited. So I will now set this as my wallpaper. And now as for my actual home screen, this is the image that I will be using. It is the one and only Hello Kitty with the little teddy bear, and they have their little baskets of candy, and they're dressed up for Halloween with little pumpkins and bats, and it's a purple lilac color that matches exactly with the theme that we just applied on the phone. So I'm just going to set this as my home screen wallpaper, and this is the preview. Ah, so adorable. Do you guys see this? This is super cute. Let's apply it. And here it is, all done. this is how my phone looks like with the icons and the purple lilac phone theme. Super cute. And this is my lock screen. Oh my goodness, I can't even handle how cute this is. This is so perfect for the month of October, fall, and Halloween. It's just really cute. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas for wallpapers. If you guys did, make sure to thumbs up and like this video. Subscribe for more videos of mine, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!